Hello, everybody. I am Dr. Stephen Gilligan. I'm a licensed psychologist here in California, and I have been working on creativity, how to help people lead more creative lives for the last 40 plus years. And it's been a long, very interesting journey. This last year has been probably the most intense of all. We've had so many different breakdowns and so many different disconnections, from the environment to relations between men and women, the relationships between different cultures, white people and people of color, so forth and so on. So we face these challenges more than ever to find ways to connect within ourselves, with each other, back to the earth, so that we can be able to create positive lives and positive communities. And partly in response to all this, I have been developing a new generation of my work that I call Creative Mind. Creative Mind talks about how all reality is created, constructed, and it really tunes into how it's created from these different levels, from, you might call it a pre-material spirit, for lack of a better term, through nature, including our bodies, through collective mind, our families, our cultures, our ancestors, through individual mind, where each of us has the ability to have a unique reality. And I think what we're called to do is move towards, we might call, integral mind, where all of these different individual realities, all of these parts of a system are singing together, if you will. That's what we look at in Creative Mind, how to be able to establish that in individuals, in relationships, in communities, and see what sort of really positive creative results can come out of that. What I'm really most excited about in terms of my professional world over the next couple of years is we have developed a certification program for Creative Mind. And I want to just share that with you and invite you to participate. It's a 25-day program. There's a one-day overview, introduction, and then there are 8 3-day modules. All of it is virtual, so we bring together people from all over the world. We've got these different modules about a 7-step method for creating sustainable change, the deep human use of the self as part of the change process, how to transform the sort of classical symptoms like depression and anxiety, how to identify the different sort of working chunks that you'll need, how to apply it especially to these collective shadows of racism and misogyny and cultural differences. And then with last couple of modules, we do these advanced intensives where we really see how to apply it in advanced ways. You can take any of these modules separately. What we're really hoping is to create this first generation of a professional community of Creative Mind, so that you can not only coach yourself, but you can coach others in this process. We did a version of it last year. It's an incredible community. We spend equal time on how to do deep connection transformation with yourself, and then how to support others in doing it. So we hope to see you, get more information on the landing page, but that's what I wanted to share with you. Hope to see you there.